My name is Wanjiru Gashohe and welcome to another episode of Homes on a Budget. So I really had chaotic wires in the house. Like nikipaint nilitoanisha nyumba nikatoanisha hizo wires vile zilikuwa fixed, and so zilikuwa zinakaa vibaya, they were just everywhere, and so I felt it's time I fix them and have a very nice house. And this is what this video is all about, and some small repairing I'll be doing. Place nilikuwa nimedamage as well the wall. And karibuni sana and happy new year. Nice to see you again. So the first step when you decide to do a project ni to ensure you have everything you need for that project. So for me, whatever I didn't have, I always have to go to buy. So buying is always my step one. So the first place I visited was duka za paint. Nilienda duka za paint and I bought paint. The paint I needed is called copper blue, because ilikuwa the side yenye nimepaint ndo nilikuwa nime damage, and so I needed to repair my wall. Alafu nikaenda kwa shop electronics kutafuta the clips za kushika the wires, and then I came back home to start my project. So the other step ni ensure nilikuwa na kila kitu. And once you decide to do cabling, as for my project, I was blending two things, repairing and cabling. I needed the clips, I needed paints, I needed a hammer, and I needed the black tape, ile ya wire. So I ensured I had everything. For the hammer, I have a toolbox in the house, and for the rest, I had to buy them. Sasa tuingie kwa the actual fixing. And nilisema my wires were a bit chaotic. Moja ilikuwa internet, nyingine ilikuwa ya area ya TV. And so ya internet, I was able to get assistance fixing it from the Safaricom fiber guys. I had issues with my internet the previous week, and so they were here and they helped me with the cabling the internet one. Now it was only the area one which I had to fix today, and ilikuwa imeingilia kwa dirisha because there was no other place ingetoshea, and so I had to look for a way. I had to look for a way yenye nitaipitishia kutoka kwa dirisha to where the TV is, and that is what I did. And I don't think I had any challenges with it. It was actually easier than I thought. Personally, I don't think it was too fast actually, like this is just over. And I managed to do it till it got to the TV. Till sasa pale ndo ilikuwa a bit challenging that I had to remove my TV, niweke chini ndio nione how I'll be able to fix it hapo juu ndo isikuwe ina pop. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you're having wires inakusumbua kwa nyumba, you've seen cabling is super easy and it's not even expensive. Just need clips and you just need to have a sense of direction where you'll take your wires, and as simple as that, and you hack it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Wanjiru Gashohe. You can follow us on our social media platforms. Wanjiru Gashohe on Instagram, Wanjiru Gashohe on Facebook, and Homes on a Budget on YouTube. As always, if you have made any of the items we've worked on, or you have something you'd want us to work on, please feel free to inbox us. We will always appreciate your feedback and your recommendation. We always appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, kwaherini.